And ladies and gentlemen, we are back at the W Movement 3x3 Elite Invitational. With the match at hand, it's My Philippines against Jump Shot. As this game is non-bearing apparently, for just everybody's information, no? And for My Philippines, we have Monique Del Carmen, Claire Castro, Riza D, and Aliana Lim on the floor. And as for their opponent, the Jump Shot team, they have O, Ang, To, and Ang on the floor. And again, for everybody's information, this will be a non-bearing game. And our match officials, it'll be Edith Boticario and Faye Veras officiating this fast-paced 3x3 ball game. Again, before anything else, we would like to thank our sponsors, Eurotex, Blue Philippines, Connection Bistro Cafe, Canty Go Sports. Yes, thank you very much to everyone who made this Elite Invitational possible and giving the community of Philippine women's basketball an outlet and a chance to showcase their skills. And it looks like the first possession will go with My Philippines. Here's Palmera D. Inside to Claire Castro. No good. Claire Castro will score the first bucket of this ball game for My Philippines. Now here's Jump Shot. As Tina To will not be able to catch that one. Now, here's Palmera D. Driving. No good. Here is Ang to Tina To. Here is Ang. Driving. No good. Kuha ni Palmera D. Claire Castro. Too big, too strong for Tina To underneath. And that is a two-pointer from Ang that time. It is Del Carmen to Castro. However, that won't be counted, I believe so, as we have under 9 minutes remaining. 1 minute and 10 seconds into our ball game. We have a deadlock right here at 2. Great anticipation that time from Lim, and she will shoot the two-pointer, but it'll be a sorry miss for her. Here's Ang to O. Here is O to Tina To. That is from deep, no good. D will try another one. No good, but Claire Castro was there to clean up Lim's mess. Here is O, guarded by Lim. Hands it off to Tina To. Tina To will try it from deep, but will miss on that attempt.
So as you've said, Cholo, no, this will be a non-bearing game since Jump Shot has no wins already. Pero for My Philippines, you can still catch them since they will be reaching the semis against the Eurotex Dream. Also together with Lady Macbeth Riots and Titans, against the Titans. So we will see that right after our shootout contest after this game.
Yes, kaabang-abang yun, ang ating shootout contest. But since uuwi naman na after this, no, ang ating Jump Shot team, again, coming from Singapore, ano ba ang positives na napansin mo, Hana, throughout their playing performance here, not only in the Elite Invitational, but of course, in our Premier League 3 kahapon. No? Ano yung mga key takes mo? Yung mga kailangan nila i-improve, your overall comments for this team?
You know, upon seeing jump shot, and actually, isama na rin natin yung J3 team kasi sila ang ating mga guest team. They showed a very, very good performance, and we can see also there na kaya pa rin nilang makipagsabayan with our women's team here, club teams, eventually here in our country. And as you've said, what stood out for me would be the players Kang Yitan and Tina To. And upon knowing nga na si Kang Yitan pala ay still in college, so, and playing for her university currently, which makes that a good sign for them and a good future for for the Singapore team na malaki ang makukuha nila kay Kang Yitan, lalo na pag na-develop pa siya. And also for Tina To, showing off her veteran moves with this jump shot team now, they can still play and can still show what they are capable for and playing, and you know, still enjoy the game, show their aggressiveness, and still continue and hopefully sa ating next leg makasama ulit natin sila.
I agree, no? Na the future is bright for this team if ever sasali man sila in other tournaments in the Philippines or outside the Philippines. I'm sure magpapasiglap ulit sila dun, no? And of course, again, si Kang Yitan, just a young player, no? And still has a lot of potential. Of course, still many things to improve on her game, pero the potential is there, no? She is very big. She can dominate the paint. She can clearly just rule over everybody that comes within her way. So I agree, Hannah. That's definitely a good sign for this jump shot team. Now, dako naman tayo sa kanilang kalaban na My Philippines. If you're My Philippines, anong angulo ang gusto mong tignan when going to the semifinals, no? Because again, ang magiging kalaban nila is Eurotex Dream. Ang Eurotex Dream is composed of Christina Dicon, no? And Kay Pingyol and Samantha Harada and Mika Cacho. Magaling ang team na to, no doubt. Maraming scorers, meron pang Christina Dicon inside the paint na nakakuha ng game-winning shot in their last game, no? So, going back to the question nga, if you're My Philippines, Hannah, anong angulo ang gusto mong tignan going into the semifinals?
Again, so yun nga, ito nga ang pinaka-inihintay kong laban for today would be, at buti na din na sila pa rin ang nagkatapat for ating semis. Eurotex versus My Philippines. Eurotex having Dicon and My Philippines having Castro. And I think they will be a great matchup to watch. And with this, dito din lalabas yung guards natin, which magkakaroon ng labanan sa loob. And therefore, dito natin makikita sinong kaya maka-rebounds ng mas madami, maka-shoot from outside the paint, and box out more than, since they both have their bigs So for sure, kaya nilang andun yung rebounds, andun yung box out. It's just of being aggressive, being who wants the ball more.
I agree, Hannah, no? Na in terms of the big man matchups, may laban itong My Philippines. Of course, Claire Castro will be more than capable to stop Christina Dicon, no? If she plays it smart. However, ang magiging problem, no, for this My Philippines team is kailangan mag-step up ng kanilang scorers. Itong si Lim, she can definitely light it up from outside. Pero My Philippines is gonna need more from her if they really want to reach the finals. Because itong scorers ng Eurotex Dream, si Kay Pingyol, nakita natin, no? Nagpasigab yan kanina. Samantha Harada, a great ball handler din. And of course, Mika Calcio, again, yung magic bunot nila na hindi lang basta-basta recruit, no? So, marami silang kailangang isipin in terms of scoring talaga. Basta si Claire Castro, in my opinion, kailangan niyang tignan si Christina Dicon. Pero yung scorers nila, for me, doon ang magiging labanan. Sa outside shooting, no? Sa, sa mga guard matchups.
Yes. And although may advantage ang my Philippines kasi very veteran ang kanilang team having Riza, Palmera D, Aliana Lim. Hindi, kumbaga ate nila ang my Philippines team, ate ng mga Eurotex team. Pero doon natin makikita kung kaya ba nilang tapatan ang kanilang mga ate na may mas experience, although experience sila lahat, may mas experience with Eliana Lim also with my Philippines. And now back to our ball game. We are on our 3-minute mark. 3 minutes and 26 seconds left for this ball game with 12-6 in favor of my Philippines. And that came from the jump shot team, Pei Xuan Ang. Del Carmen, stolen by Pei Xuan Ang. Out of bounds call there. Aliana Lim enters for Claire Castro. Seven to 12, our score. Right now, Del Carmen looks at Palmera D. No good. Agawan ng bola. And there's a foul. Second team foul for jump shot. Del Carmen with the ball. Looks for Eliana Lim. And a good shot there by Eliana Lim. A free shot. Was able to commit her opponents, making Eliana Lim free for that shot. And a free layup for jump shots. Ming Siu Ang. Claire Castro was able to make that shot. It's a mismatch. And Ming Siu Ang again for 2. Cutting the lead to 4. With 2 minutes left. Del Carmen for a drive. No good. Rebounded by Claire Castro for that shot. Ming Siu Ang wasn't able to get that shot.
And Hannah, gusto ko lang pag-usapan yung next na activity natin, no? Next game, it'll be a shootout contest. I'll just explain the rules after this, no? Pero first, we have a timeout. As the score is 15 to 10, this timeout is brought to you by no other than Blue Refreshing Boost. As our players take a breather, try to strategize, and figure out their own offensive and defensive schemes going back into the ball game. Again, the score is 15 to 10 with less than 2 minutes remaining as my Philippines is leading and 6 points away from 21 mark.
And we are on our 1 minute and 30 seconds game time here. Philippines.
So,
My Philippines leading.
So kanina Hannah, no, before mag-timeout, I was talking about our next activity, which is the shootout contest. So the mechanics are each participant needs to make 4 shots. It's under the basket, at the free throw line, top of the key 3, so sa gitna, and the half-court circle. So ang magiging thing is magiging logo shot kumbaga, ang huling shot nila. So winner is the one that makes most shots in 30 seconds or the fastest to make all 4. So again, kung sino yung pinakamarami, tatagaluguin ko lang, no? Kung sino yung pinakamaraming may shoot in 30 seconds, or kung sino yung makakatapos ng mabilis yung mga 4 shots na nabanggit ko, yun ang mananalo. And you can only advance to the next spot after making the basket. So hindi mo pwedeng itira yung 3 points mo, no? If hindi mo pa make yung free throw mo. So that's just an example. So in case of a tie, the elimination will be by 3 points. So mukhang magiging intense yun and kaabang-abang yan, no?
And each team has a representative for our shootout contest. So make sure to check that one out. Stay tuned here after this game with only having 6 seconds left in favor of my Philippines. And I think that would be it. 20-11 in favor of my Philippines. My Philippines. Del Carmen with 1 point. My Philippines 20-11. Our Uratex Matibay player of the game, Claire Castro, with only 9 points for this ball game.
And itong team niya, no, My Philippines, will head to the semis. So that's a great momentum booster for them.
And even though our